Seeing you across the hall, I thought, oh my god, he's just a dream. Then you went and smiled at me. What a catch. In my diary, you were the one. You're the name I wrote on each page. You would make me smile every day. But then oh wait, why the hell you are in that cafe, holding someone else's hand, smiling just the way you smile at me, boy. I will let you break my heart. I don't wanna be your ex, your ex, your ex. Not gonna reply your text, your text, your text. Go back somewhere else, I ain't got time for that. You don't even feel sad, give me vegetable. Third day you are knocking on my door, but this board is empty now. No more faces, shiny as up. Don't give up. Why the hell you are in that cafe, holding someone else's hand, smiling just the way you smile at me, boy. I will let you break my heart. I don't wanna be your ex, your ex, your ex. Not gonna reply your text, your text, your text. Go back somewhere else, I ain't got time for that. You don't even feel sad, give me vegetable. Maybe I should give you a chance. Lying to your face, you've done it once, you do it twice, so I will never act like you. I don't wanna be your ex, your ex, your ex. Not gonna reply your text, your text, your text. Go back somewhere else, I ain't got time for that. You don't even feel sad, give me vegetable. I don't wanna be your ex, your ex, your ex. Not gonna reply your text, your text, your text. Go back somewhere else, I ain't got time for that. You don't even feel sad, give you vegetable. Woke up just a little pissed today. Feeling like the coldest snow in May. Someone hold my nerves for me, oh please. Hit the gum stuck right on my desk. Got enough for that stupid test. And someone slammed the door right in my face. You touched the volcano, won't leave it like that. Just wait for it. I'll come up with something good. I'll cut your hair, put a spell on your chair. That's fun, but I guess I won't do that. It's your mistake, you've been sorry. It's not yet the end of the story. My blacklist is waiting for you to see you again. It's your mistake, you've been sorry. It's not yet the end of the story. My blacklist is waiting for you. Blacklist has your name. Finally I'm home, things should be fine, but the clock is still don't have to stain. On my white shirt, I'm in shock, so it's the shirt. I have nothing left to say. Maybe Instagram will help me chill, but seeing happy couples makes me ill. So pretty looking girl, sure enough, so pretty cash, and I pour it all in my bed. Volcano, won't leave it like that. Just wait for it. I'll come up with something good. I'll cut your hair, put the spell on your chair. That's fun, but I guess I won't do that. It's your mistake, you're to understand. Wanna feel but I'm empty, feeling numb inside me. I don't know if we can save this, 'cause baby, honestly, baby, I'm getting no signal, signal, no signal, signal of our love. Getting no signal, signal, baby, I'm getting no signal of our love. I keep searching but no love. I keep searching but gave each other many promises. Now your time for me is less and less. You're not talking, I'm tired of asking. We're not thinking anymore. Losing connection. Every will this go all this way? I don't know if we can save this, 'cause baby, honestly, baby, I'm getting no signal, signal, no signal, signal of our love. Getting no signal, signal, baby, I'm getting no signal of our love. I keep searching but no love. I keep searching but there's no signal. Hello, hello, disconnected you. There's no signal. Hello, hello, disconnected me. Baby, I'm getting no signal, signal, no signal, signal of our love. Getting no signal, signal, baby, I'm getting no signal of our love. I keep searching but no love. I keep searching but
You walk the distance with your head down. It's hard to move forward when you always face the ground. Don't be afraid of letting loose. You have another life to choose. It's all up to you. You can see the finish line in front of you, so close yet you always struggle to pull through. The sky is not gray, it's still blue. It's all about your points of view. You can be who you want to be. Follow what your heart says. Fly on to the unknown. Grab on and don't let go. You know you're almost there. Stay strong, you gotta move along. Face up, don't have to cover up. Just try it one more time. You know you're almost there. You're almost there. You struggle to keep up with everybody, but that doesn't mean you are a nobody. Don't be afraid to fall behind. You never know what you may find. It's all up to you. It's almost in your reach. You can almost touch it. You just have to take the leap. The sky is not gray, it's still blue. It's all about your point of view. You can be who you want to be. Follow what your heart says. Fly on to the unknown. Grab on and don't let go. You know you're almost there. Stay strong, you gotta move along. Face up, don't have to cover up. Just try it one more time. You know you're almost there. You're almost there. You're almost there. You're almost there.
Limelight, get the time right. I'm thinking, I've been thinking everything was not right. Time flies when it's your life, but just believe me that the days are staying bite-sized. Yeah, I'm on my way to 30 and nobody really seems to get me. They say, why aren't you famous? I said that I'm not dead yet. They said that's not a winner, but I don't think they get this, yeah. So push me to my limit, I'll make it all work. I'm tired of being asked if I'll ever play a show. I've been working so hard to stay cold, so I can just pretend that this isn't the goal. You don't get a say in what I do, and the burnout doesn't concern you. I'll build a great by pouring brick this time, and then you claim the fame is mine. To motivation, and I am doing fine. Might have been down last year, but I'll keep going this time. 'Cause I won't make it anywhere if I don't try to shine. Every word you say keeps me afloat, and I'm trying to fly. My dedication to motivation, and I am doing fine. Might have been down last year, but I'll keep going this time. 'Cause I won't make it anywhere if I don't try to shine. Every word you say keeps me afloat, and I'm trying to fly. This is my dedication to motivation, and I am doing fine. Might have been down last year, but I'll keep going this time.
something special. You went on and got me wide. Tiny little plant, yeah. Hoping it will grow strong. Give it all my care and love. But something went wrong, yeah. I just couldn't read the signs that all of this is waste of time. But I don't think the fault is mine. I'm mental. Every second that I spent to keep you warm, I won't regret. But out of something nice will turn so ugly. Cactus, why you are so spiky? I'm just being kind. Give you water, bring you sunlight. Is that not enough? Trying to keep you close and I took it hurt by your thorns, baby. Cactus, why you are so spiky? This is not alright. My efforts go in vain. You are the type who only takes, I guess that no one told you that you need to give. Everything you say is like the sharpest needles. You messed up. You messed up. I just couldn't read the signs that all of this is waste of time. But I don't think the fault is mine. I'm mental. Every second that I spent to keep you warm, I won't regret. But out of something nice will turn so ugly. Cactus, why you are so spiky? I'm just being kind. Give you water, bring you sunlight. Is that not enough? Trying to keep you close and I took it hurt by your thorns, baby. Cactus, why you are so spiky? This is not alright. Oh, it hurts. Next time I'll have to avoid. Cactus with a break is something I don't need now. Cactus, why you are so spiky? I'm just being kind. Give you water, bring you sunlight. Is that not enough? Trying to keep you close and I took it hurt by your thorns, baby. Cactus, why you are so spiky? This is not alright. Sitting at the top, I see every movement. Whisper in your ear all your darkest secrets. You're all behind the door, give me some more. I got the power you can dream of, no. What you don't know, I'll already know. But if I tell you there's a price that someone has to pay. I know that you smile, but you might hate me on inside, just cause you know that I am always right. I am the gossip girl, XOXO, you know. You kiss at times, you're just like a radio. I am the gossip girl, XOXO, you know. I'm all the stories, baby, I'm in control. The power leaves me all alone, all alone, all alone. Nobody wants to get closer, oh no, no, no. What There's so many guys, only you come my eye, but the only flaw is that you ain't the love. Look at what you're missing, real bird eyes. Well, she's just like any other girl you had before. When they come and say hi, hopefully she won't mind. What do you think about being mine? It should be me in my place. She's feeling all my space. It should be me in the place. It should be me in my place. She's feeling all my space. It should be me in the place. I am falling for you, baby. I know it might sound crazy. Can't you see that I should be in her place? She's kinda alright, but I make it feel high. Why spend time with her while you can be by my side? It should be me in her place. She's feeling all my space. It should be me in the place. It should be me in her place. She's feeling all my space. It should be me in the place. Come knock at my door, waiting over there. Forget what you had before. Come knock at my door if you really want what you're looking for. You can be sure it'll be worth every second you're not with her. You can be sure it'll be worth what you're looking for. It should be me in her place. She's feeling all my space. It should be me in the place. It should be me in her place. She's feeling all my space. It should be me in the place. I try to be so much better, but I think it will take forever. When I try to achieve my agenda, there's always something in my way. Somebody text me, send me pictures, something interesting on that YouTube channel. There's so much to do, I have not started. TikTok wins in this battle. I'll do it later, I will do it later, but I need to check or like some comments now. I'll do it later, I will do it later. Please tell me, my friend, how to become better. I wish the day would be more than 24 hours in my life. Maybe then I finish my homework instead of cleaning in my room. Somebody texting, send me pictures, something interesting on that YouTube channel. There's so much to do, I have not started. TikTok wins in this battle. I'll do it later, I will do it later, but I need to you, or you replaced me like I was a pair of socks. Yeah, is it in your nature, boy? Picking flowers, being with you really sucks. Yeah, run, you better run, run as fast as you can. Run, you better run, save yourself while you can. I'll wrap you in ribbon and save the hair, 'cause I will never need you. So go on, live like that, start backing up and run. Run for your life, oh baby, run. You better run. Thought that you could really be the Mr. Right, but Casanova was never my type. So does she love your lies, that she's the only one you like? So look at what you got now. Being mad just doesn't suit my pretty face. Yeah, look at what you got now.